Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing. Yeah, we are going to be unboxing our air fryer. I like the packaging, it's colorful. I like the color, but it has a few dents like this over here and here and here as well. But let's see the inside. I hope everything is intact and I hope it's good. So this is the inside. All right, we'll take this off. It has a little manual in here that contains all the instruction you need. Yes, it contains all the instructions you need. It contains instructions on how to use it, the different parts, everything that is needed is inside this manual. So we'll set this aside and check the rest of the pack. It's quite heavy. This is the pack. The packaging is light. I was expecting more, but I guess it is what it is. I'm a bit disappointed though, but I like the pack. The body is quite beautiful. It is colorful, you know. It also has all the instructions. If you're one that doesn't like to read a lot in the manual, you can just check the instructions here. It talks about the quantity you can put, the air fryer takes. It talks about what you can use it for. You can bake with it, you can reheat your food, you can dehydrate, you can grill. Like, it does a lot of things too. And I'm excited because I know we're going to do a lot with this air fryer. I actually don't like the packaging for real. This is already tearing apart and it looks really cheap, but I hope the air fryer is going to save us. Okay, this is how it looks. Oh my baby, it's pretty. So let's see the cooking chamber, which is over here. So the cooking chamber is really big. It's wide enough. I like the size. It also comes with an air fryer basket. So to take up the basket, it has a handle. This is the handle. It also has this rubber-like stud that is around it. It helps prevent it from scratching around the cooking chamber. It's time to test our air fryer, but I just noticed the power cord is quite short. It's really short compared to the previous one I had. We've plugged in our air fryer. Over here are the different programs the air fryer performs. It has air fry, roast, grill, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. It also has a timer here and it has temperature. This is the dial. The dial helps you rotate the time and the temperature. So to air fry, you just have to click on air fry, click on your time, set your time, on your temperature, and then set your temperature and start. Whatever you put is going to air fry. We are done with the unboxing. I think I like the size. It's a perfect size for my kitchen, but I think the packaging can be better. I don't know whose fault that is, but I'd like to see how the air fryer performs. In the weeks to come, we'll be doing a short series to test all the programs in this air fryer, see if they are actually true, if they do what they say it does. So we'll make short videos, and I'll also like to compare it to my previous air fryer to see if it's better or I still have to return the two of them. Thank you for watching. This is my first unboxing video. I'd like you guys to leave a comment and tell me if you want to see more unboxing videos in the future. I had fun doing this. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and click on the notification bell for notifications on our subsequent videos. Bye.